Hello there, this is just meant to be a 2 or 3 minute presentation about tonight's Tech and Teach session from October. Present were Kirsty, Sam, myself, Vincent and David. And thank you very much to David and Vincent for sharing their work. I'm just going to take you through some of the programs they presented. So Vincent started off by looking at the program called Padlet. It used to be called Woolwisher. I've just clicked on at the top there and put padlet.com. It's an online space where you can allow individuals, be it students and mostly in our case, to click on to the Padlet or wall and allow them to upload or write text, pictures and video. As a teacher, you can control what is put onto the wall by putting simple security settings. Vincent has been using it to share his resources for homework or assignments. It's also a space where students have been posting work, removing therefore any need for direct communication via emails and the nonsense with pen drives and etc., which just seems to block up a whole lesson. So very quickly, Padlet, when you get onto the program, you do need to sign up with your email, or you can log in. If you have a Gmail account, it will allow you to do that. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, very simple, straightforward. When we get onto this site, it's worth you spend some time looking around, looking at some of the different settings, etc. But to create a new Padlet, we just click on this button here, and up comes this space here. Down the right-hand side are the various different menu options. First thing I'm going to do is modify the wall, and I'm going to give it a name, Tech and Teach in this case. And I can also set, please put on here any training needs you feel you have. I can go into then the privacy and scroll down and click on this button here. It says moderate post, so that now if anyone puts anything on that wall, I have the right to read it first and then agree whether it should appear there. Okay, let's go back to the wall itself. Click on the wall and up comes this. David, this is just a test. Okay, click over here. Okay, put anywhere on the wall people can write. But in this case I might want to put a web link in there to a film. Let's open up a window here. So very quickly I click on link, go to YouTube or any film I'd like, and just copy the link at the top, go back and into the space, paste and press add. The film appears there. Edit is on here. I'm going to put a picture on and I can go to my library of pictures and upload from there, and that would allow me to upload documents as well. Okay, with Padlet then I can take this wall and use an embed code. If you want me to explain that, I'll explain it in future sessions. I can copy and paste that and I can put that into any website I like for space for people to share. Okay, embed code, drop that there, click, paste, and away we go. Okay, there it is, and I can still continue to type on the website there. The class dojo Vincent showed is, as I say, a reward system, points-based, great fun to use, been used in year 5 as well. I've already logged in here. Let's go into my classes. Okay, let's go to my summer school class for example. I've already put the kids' names in. You can on block put these in using an Excel spreadsheet. Whenever a student in your class does something which deserves a reward, you can click on their name and you can give them a reward. You can do everyone in the class. They've all worked very hard. And you'll get a point. You can give negative feedback as well. It needs work. Okay. This is also available as an iPhone app or a tablet app. So if it's all Wi-Fi'd in, you can walk around your room, giving points whenever you like. Vincent has been using these very analytically on a monthly basis, providing his students with feedback on exactly why he gave them awards, when he gave them. See down here is a long list of reasons. You can also look as a whole class, and you can select by month. You'll see I haven't done any this month, and you can print off from there as well. And thus he then has a hard copy to picture and paste into the students' books for parents to see. Okay, Class Dojo. And lastly, David showed the document camera, the ePivo camera, which you can find via Amazon for $70, about 90 euros. And David's using this to share students' written work in the books with each other, to analyse their marking, for them all to give positive feedback. But particularly dynamic for the analysis of how he has marked someone's work, so that you can all learn from each other's mistakes. A fantastic resource. He's then also building up a resource bank by taking pictures of the work students are doing, good examples and examples which need work on. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Talk to David, Vincent, myself, Sam or Kirsty about what went on. Last mention was the work I'd advertised we would do on 5-minute lesson plan. The link's on there. It's a great resource, particularly good just for focusing your mind in on various important aspects of a lesson. It's one step up from the note you make in your planners, really. And the guy who designed it has also produced some excellent resources which he shares freely with other teachers around the world. His most followed teacher on Twitter. His book here is exceptional. I recommend you buy it. And also go into his website and start looking for links to other teachers who are sharing their ideas via blogs or Twitter. A fantastic hub for the education debate which is taking place at the moment. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time. I've rattled on for 8 minutes. I hope I haven't bored you, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.